Also new at 11 tonight, Norfolk community members discussed everything from voting restoration rights to public defender shortages and prison substance abuse at a criminal justice forum.
All right, Marta Berglund joins us in studio to break down that discussion and what leaders had to say. Marta?
3rd District Representative Bobby Scott fielded the first questions at the second annual Criminal Justice Forum hosted by Norfolk's NAACP branch. He touted increases in witness protection funding from the state while calling for more youth programming to prevent crime. Virginia Congressman Bobby Scott, Norfolk Commonwealth's Attorney Ramin Fatahi, and prison rights advocates Hassan Shabazz and Shakil Ali made up the panel at Tuesday evening's second annual Criminal Justice Forum.
You're much better building boys and girls clubs than new prisons.
Scott focused on preventing crime with youth programming when asked about restoration rights for former prisoners looking to vote after their release.
Every governor since Chuck Robb has made the restoration of rights process easier.
Since 2022, Virginians must individually request voter eligibility after their release from prison. This ended the state's former practice of automatically restoring the vote to all residents not currently incarcerated.
There is evidence to show that if you get your voting rights back, if you are participating in the community, you're less likely to commit a crime.
Clyde Boykin spent 27 years in prison and is now a community advocate. He agreed with Scott's call for youth support to ultimately prevent crime.
They sent them to a schoolyard. The schoolyard is filled with trash, but we as an adult want them to be productive.
Panelist Hassan Shabazz, who spent 23 years in prison, focused on youth who live in areas with more violence, also calling for programming and support.
You wonder why they can't go to school and concentrate? Some of them don't want to go out their door to go to school and afraid to get off the bus when they're going back home.
Norfolk Commonwealth's Attorney Ramin Fatahi also fielded questions. He praised $1 million in this year's state budget for witness protection services and discussed a public defender and court-appointed counsel shortage.